Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. That's my daughter right there trying to plant something. So she has a general idea on how to plant plants and I really like that. Yeah, so in today's video we're going to be cleaning our microwave and we're going to be using a simple step process where we mix water, some vinegar, dish soap, and just put it in the microwave and let it steam inside there for 5 to 10 minutes. You can take as long as you need depending on how dirty your microwave is. I've already done an unboxing video of our Hisense microwave, so make sure you take a look. And I want to thank everyone who has watched that video. It is one of our best performing videos. Thank you to everyone who has watched and asked questions. I'll be doing a review soon. It's maybe almost 7 to 8 months now since we got it and it has been serving us quite well. Alright, so that's me putting in the mix inside the microwave and I'm going to set it to 5 minutes and then definitely see how it will go. I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. I can feel you in my heart, you in my Yes, so at this point I will be using my microfiber cloth. I'm just going to dampen it with some clean water. Go ahead and wipe the inside of the microwave. As you've seen, the steam is all over, every grease has been broken down, and now the only work that's left is to wipe it down, make sure it's clean, get out any dirt that is still there. Yeah, and you'll be good. As you can see, the water is there steaming hot, so you have to also be careful when you want to remove it. Use an insulator or a glove, a microwave, and what do you call it, an oven glove, so that you don't burn yourself because it's very hot. So at this point I'm just wiping down the steam. It's also coming out with any dirt that could be there. Another thing I did is to remove this glass plate, washed it in the sink and returned it in its place. You will see that much later in the video, but it's a simple process. Just wash and rinse and dry it, and that's it. That's how simple it is to wash your not wash, to clean up your microwave. As you can see, there was some bit of grease buildup, but all of this is coming out today, and I would highly recommend like doing this maybe once a week. If you use your microwave very often, try to clean it every once a week, and in case you have any spills, just deal with the spills right away so that they don't stick on there and then it becomes a stain that is difficult to deal with. All right, so let's keep watching, and I hope that you're learning and enjoying the video as well. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your time here. And if you haven't liked this video, please, this is the right time to hit the like button. Also subscribe and with all the notification bells on, and I will really appreciate it.